Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the font family and specific styles you actually need. Less is faster. On Google Fonts, pick Family, Weights, and Subset. This controls file size and glyph coverage. Copy the recommended embed method, either the link tag for HTML head or the @import line for CSS. Once done, add the tag to your page head or paste the import at the top of your style sheet so the browser can request the font early and cache it for reuse. You now wire the font into CSS. Declare font family using the exact family name Google provides, followed by fallbacks like SystemUI, sans serif. Define font weight with numeric values to match the loaded files and include font style when necessary. Make sure to add font display, swap, so text remains readable during loading. If you used a variable font, reference its axis values. Once configured, test several elements to ensure weights and italics render as expected across browsers. You finish by applying the font to your page. Attach it to the body for site-wide use or to specific classes for headings. To improve performance, add a rel equals pre-connect to fonts. Gstatic. COM and consider rel equals preload for critical font files. Test on slow networks and mobile. If the font doesn't appear, open DevTools, check network requests, ensure the family name matches exactly, and confirm weights requested match available files. This single check fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.